guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Ahi and today I'll show you how to create this Valentine's makeup look. All the products that I use I will be linking in the description box below. But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I hope you have fun watching this video. So the first thing I want to do is to prime just a little bit on my face, and I'm doing that because I have at this moment more of a combination skin and sheer kind of a texture at the moment because of the cold weather, and this will help my makeup, actually my foundation, to stay longer throughout the day. Normally what I will do at this moment will be to kind of let my moisturizer to set into the skin. Now, as I said, because I have some texture here around, I will use some primer, but not too much because I've already used some moisturizer. After that, the next step will be also to prime my under eye area, and I'll just use some eye cream, but you can go ahead and use either the moisturizer or the primer. But because I have a sensitive skin, most of the time I like to use an eye cream. So I've done that, I'm going to go with foundation. Now I'm going in with some concealer, and I'll just use just a bit here on the eyes and blend that with a sponge. And now I'll just contour my face. Now at this point you might want to use a powder or not. I'm going in with some blush. For highlighter I will be combining these two shades. On the brows I'm not going to do like anything crazy, I'll just brush them up and then I'll just kind of fill in the gaps. Now we are going to the eye part, and I will be using first an eyeshadow primer that will help your eyeshadow to stick better and last longer. Now, the first shade that I want to use is this eyeshadow pencil by Mercier. It's in the shade Caramel, and I will use it mostly here on my brow bone and just apply it like that, and that will be actually like a transition color. And then I want to take a fluffy brush and blend that out, but always staying here on the brow bone area. If you want, you can apply more. The second color that I'm going to use will be this gray taupe. This one is by Maybelline in the shade Silken Taupe, and I'll apply it again with the same brush, and I'll insist more here on my crease and on my brow bone. Now for the crease and the outer corner of my eye, I will be using a darker shade. This eyeshadow pencil, again by Mercier. It's in the shade Amethyst. And I'll apply it here on the outer corner to the crease right here. Now using a flat brush, I'll blend that out, and I'm trying to get rid of these harsh lines. And as always, you can use more if you want. Now on this part of my lid, where it's a bit lighter, as you can see, you can use whichever shadow you want, but I'm just going to be using something like that. It's a neutral, more shade. It's really creamy and applied with a flat brush. Now to kind of emphasize my eyes, I will be using this eyeshadow pencil by Estee Lauder. Now taking a smudge brush, I will apply this Amethyst eyeshadow on my lower lash line, but mostly till my midsection. Now again, the Estee Lauder eyeshadow pencil, I'll apply here on the inner corner and mid-section of my lower lash line. Now to emphasize my eyes even more, I'll use just the black pencil here on my upper lash line, and I'll apply it really close to the lash line. I mean, like really close. Now I'll just use some false lashes, this one by Lenny Lash. Now to complete this look, I'll be using a lip pencil in a red shade. And on top of that, I'll use a liquid lipstick. This is the final result. Please let me know in the comments below if you like it or hate it, or maybe, I don't know, if you have any other suggestions. Also tell me what your plans are for this special day. And as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!